chocolate gobblers.
Do you want to walk our bakers off the list of ingredients we have here?
We have some Oreos, 2 spoons, teaspoon,
Tablespoon.
we have a plate, some cream cheese, some candy corns, some chopped up M&Ms, candy eyes, chocolate, a bowl, and we have a
Mini food processor. All right, so we're gonna take our Oreos. We got our Oreos in. We're gonna have to do this in 2 stages because I'm using my mini food processor today, not my big one. Because honestly, I just don't like cleaning it. And we're gonna go ahead and chop these up. We finished grinding up all of our Oreos. This is what they'll look like.
Hey, Dia, doesn't it look like coffee grounds?
Yeah, it does look like that. We know that this is glorious
Oreo grounds.
Oreo grounds. You want to give that a chop? So to the Oreos, we are going to add our cream cheese. Now remember, this needs to be softened cream cheese at room temperature. Otherwise, you're gonna have a real hard time mixing this in. You wanna grab your spoon? And I'm gonna put this in stages for you. One more chop. Okay, and now you have to incorporate that together. Flatten the cream cheese and then fold it in. Okay, we'll show you what it looks like when it's there. Now that this is well incorporated and you can see that it holds its shape, we're gonna go ahead and form these into our truffle balls. Clean hands, always the best tool. We're gonna scooperoni and then we're gonna roll them up. And then you're gonna roll it just like that.
Look at my little baby ball.
Oh, perfect.
Rolling up some gobblers. Rolling up some gobblers. Rolling up some gobblers.
All right, guys. These are now rolled into the chocolate truffles, and these need to set for about 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. We're again impatient, so we're gonna pop these into the freezer for probably about 35 to 45 minutes. All right, bakers. So we have our chocolate truffles fresh out the freezer. And we're gonna grab one. I'm gonna dip it in the chocolate, and then Valentina is gonna go ahead and make them gobblers. You wanna do it quickly because you don't want the chocolate to harden, because otherwise nothing will stick to it.
I'm gonna go straight to the decorating.
He looks so cute.
He looks like a little bird.
Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Look at him. Look, you see? One gobbler left.
Got the eyes.
And I got the nose.
And I got the tail.
These are so stinking cute, aren't they? I love it. This is gonna be super messy, guys. You wanna go ahead and let this set.
For about 1 minute.
More than a minute. Again, you could use the fridge, or the quick process is the freezer. Into the freezers these go. Grabbed our gobblers out of the freezer. And they're nice and set now. My mouth is salivating. How cute did these come out?
Amazing.
Right? You ready to try our gobblers? Okay. Cheers. Wow. That is good, huh?
God, this is everything.
I love the truffle part. It's so rich from the Oreo and the cream cheese. And then that little M&M bite. That was something.
It was something.
Your little chocolate fingers. I ate the gobbler's nose. You ate his whole face.
I even ate
And one of his feathers. I think it's time for a challenge.
Oh.
Yeah? What do you think it should be this time? What about our gnome friends? What do you think about that?
Ooh, what challenge would we do with them?
How about a name?
Ooh.
That's perfect! Okay, go ahead with the full challenge.
Okay, so what if you guys name our gnomes? Whoever gets the best name for our gnomes wins.
Exactly. And then we could sing the song, Gotta Get That Name.
Gotta get that name.
Gotta get that name. We gotta get that name. Gotta get that name. Gotta get that name. Gotta get that. We gotta get that name. Gotta get that name. Gotta get that name. Gotta get that. We gotta get that name. You guys will be the judge. What are our gnomes' names?
What are they?
Okay. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out our Instagram. Yummy thumbs up. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.